Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Equipment Remarketing. I'm going to give you a nice video of this 2021 Manitou MI40G. This thing is a bi-fuel. It runs off propane or gasoline. Sitting here with only 10 hours, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, it's a brand new machine. You get yourself a 1-year factory warranty and free another year extended warranty. Straight from Equipment Remarketing, ladies and gentlemen. This baby has the power you need. It has an 8,800 pound capacity. It also is really nice. Take a look. It's brand new, ladies and gentlemen. Look at all your controls here. This thing is sitting tall. Check out your tires. Now you can take a look at this on the web at 99lifts.com, 99lifts.com, or you can give us a call at 260-238-4998. We're going to go ahead and show you the tilt, side shift, and how this thing runs. Here it come to life, ladies and gentlemen. There's your mast going up and down. Got yourself tilt, side shift. What's our reach on this thing? 185? 185 inch reach, ladies and gentlemen. That's over 15 feet. Listen to it purr like a kitten. Now we can have this thing delivered right to your front door. Just give us a call. Nice unit, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for checking out this video. Once again, 260-238-4998, or check us out on the web, 99lifts.com. Thanks.